I am Dr. Yugal Mishra, Chief of Clinical Services and Chairman, Manipal Institute of Cardiac Sciences, Manipal Hospital, Dwarka, Delhi. Today I want to highlight about the treatment of heart failure, use of LVAD for that, and also the heart transplantation. There are millions of patients in our country who are suffering from end-stage heart failure. That can be because of long-standing coronary artery disease, maybe because of chronic valvular heart disease, or there are some of the patients who has got a dilated cardiomyopathy, maybe because of viral, chemical, or because of some unknown reason where the heart doesn't pump required blood to the rest of the body. Instead, the blood remained in the heart and thus heart go on dilating, and one stage comes when heart fails. Now this is a very serious condition because there are so many patients who never get a proper treatment and they die, or there are patients who can afford, they can go to the hospital multiple times to get rid of these symptoms, which is in the form of breathing difficulty, chest pain, swelling all over the body, early fatigability, and so forth. Now, I mentioned that this is a big problem in our country as rest of the world. In the Western world, there are a lot of facilities in form of LVAD availability, RVAD, and also the use of heart as an organ to treat heart failure. In our country also now, lot of heart transplant is being done. We also started doing LVAD implantation, and recently we could able to save a 14-year-old boy from Iraq whose sister was admitted in Turkish hospital and could never got discharged, and she died in the hospital because they could not able to provide a LVAD, a left heart assist device. So this boy came to us, we evaluated, and we did LVAD implantation. Now 14-year-old boy is doing fantastically good. They have registered the name of that patient in a couple of centers in India, in Iraq, in Lebanon, in Turkey, and if he is lucky, he may get someday the heart, and things will be better for him. Now the issue is every candidate who has got heart failure is the candidate for heart transplant or LVAD? No. Initial stages, when patients comes with heart failure symptoms, we must analyze what is the cause of that heart failure, whether because of coronary artery disease, which are valvular heart disease, or which are because of dilated cardiomyopathy, or sometimes in preeclampsia conditions the female may also get a heart failure. Sometimes some toxic substances lead to the heart failure. So before starting a treatment, one must understand what is the reason of heart failure, and once we establish that, then the treatment becomes easier. There are a lot of patients in our country who sustained heart attack earlier, and now they come with dilated heart and failing heart, and those are the patients where we must concentrate and do something. First, medical therapy, then surgical intervention. If there is a severe mitral regurgitation and coronary artery disease, we must do the coronary artery bypass surgery and repair or replacement of the mitral valve. Now there are patients who doesn't have any valve problems, but their ejection fraction is very, very poor, and they are not able to walk even a few meters. Now these are the candidates who require either LVAD or transplant. Now the question of transplant is little tricky, because if you register the patients, it may take 4 to 5 months to eventually get a heart. So in this situation, if the patient who are very sick and who are at the verge of dying, we can implant left heart assist device and save their life. And meantime, as he was registered, if he gets a blood donors for the heart, then their life can be saved. Now, besides LVAD, there are also necessity of right heart support, which is known as RVAD, because in these patients they may also get a failure of the right side of the heart. Then if they have got a combined right and left heart failure, then one has to issue right and left heart support, and eventually once the right heart picks up the right, then we can remove the right heart and he will continue with the left heart assist device. Now there are so many good drugs are available who are also helping, and I know some of my patients who I listed for heart transplant, when we started using these drugs, patient became asymptomatic, they are feeling so good, so we have removed them from waiting list of the heart transplant. So now the drugs are coming, they are going to play a big role, but till that stage comes and wider availability of drugs are not, these drugs are not there, we have to use more and more surgical intervention in form of CBG, mitral valve repair replacement, aortic valve surgery, aneurysmal surgeries, and of course LVAD and heart transplantation. Thank you.